Yeah, hi everyone. So let's today we'll discuss the basic difference between HANA Studio and Eclipse, right? So we are opening the HANA Studio. So this is the HANA Studio basically. Okay, so if you want to work with any tool like BW tool, okay, so an ABAP tool, so how we can check whether that tool is installed in HANA Studio or not. So you will have to go to the perspective right side, you can see open perspective, or you can go here the window, or you can see perspective open. So either anyone you can choose. This see, these are the open perspective. So you can see here the list of tools are already available. Okay, you can see ABAP already available. We have a SAP HANA admin console we are available, HANA Modeler are available. Okay, so if in case the tool which not available and you would like to work on that tool, then what you need to do? Okay, so you have to install it. So how you can install it? Example, let's see, if you want to use BW tool, if you see, you can see don't have a BW, right? So if you want to work with the BW for HANA or on HANA, then how you could do? So in that scenario, what you need to do, you have to install it. So you can go to the help. Under help, you can see install new software would be there. Click on this. Okay, now here you have to give the link, okay, for tools, for installations. Okay, which tool you would like to work, so you have to install it here like this. Okay, you have to give, here will come list of the tool, you have to select and install it. Okay, so this is the way. If you install successfully, then the tool is available over here, perspective BW tool or whatever the tool you would like to. So this is the use of the HANA Studio. Okay, so we would recommend it to use the Eclipse, okay, replace of HANA Studio, because HANA Studio is older, but okay, Eclipse is the latest one and which is flexible to all tools, right? So let's go to the, I'll show you the Eclipse as well. So let's, here we have Eclipse as well. See, this is the Eclipse. So Eclipse, you can see, go here, same features, like open the perspective, you can see here so many tools are available. Even see BW modeling already available. So this is the use of Eclipse basically. So Eclipse have a combination of all tool, no need to install anything, okay, which is already available here. But HANA Studio you need to install it. So this is the basically flexibility, okay, and you have to install and you have to update day to day. So then it will, okay, support all these tools in Eclipse. So which is, Eclipse is the best ideas you can use for either in ABAP, BW or any other tools to use the ID, that is Eclipse. Okay, so this is, we have a difference between HANA Studio and Eclipse. So we will support, and most of the student having the issues or like query which is the best one, so we recommended to use Eclipse, okay, behalf of the HANA Studio. So please like this channel, subscribe, okay, and share with your friend. If in case any query, please mail us. Thank you for watching this video. Bye.